This Mobile Geeks video is powered by ASUS.
Hi, I'm Daniel from Mobile Geeks, and we are still here at ARM, and we are looking at a demo of sensors to servers, service to sensors, and sensors to service, and Andrew will give us a demo of a brand new badge, which looks really cool.
Okay, so the demo here, what we're showing is, as you say, our sensors to servers demo, and in the room here, what we're doing is we've got lots of different sensors around the room, and they're feeding back to this ARM-based server here. And this is an ARM v8-based server, 64-bit from Applied Micro. It's running Ubuntu, and it's also running a bit of software that we sell called Mbed Device Server. Mbed Device Server is a bit of software that connects to these IoT endpoints. So if we just turn around here and have a look on the desk here, we have this this sensor here. This is based on a Cortex M4-based microcontroller board from Freescale, and it has a 6 low-pan shield on it to transmit wirelessly. It also has a proximity sensor here, a temperature sensor there, and a microphone. So this will feed back information on this demo station back to the server over there. And you can see, if you pan around to the other tables over there, we've got sensors on the other tables and the one at the back, and we also have on the station behind you here with the server on. So if we come back here, you can see here we've also got a sensor in the meeting room back here. These lit people show where there are people present. This is a heat map showing which are the most popular demos, so it's still very early in the day, but this one here is pretty popular, and the devices over there are popular. I'm also wearing a badge here. This is a leaderboard of the badges of who has been in here. So you can see on the timeline where it is blue, that means the person has been in, and when it's white, they haven't been in. So over the day this will fill up. It's very early in the morning now, but over the day this will fill up, and we'll have blue when they've been here and white when they've not, so we can see who's been on for the longest. There's also a button on the badge which you can press, and that increases the count here, the click count, so we kind of got a little competition between people. So these are ARM Mbed based. Sorry, these are not Mbed based. This is ARM Cortex M based. This is an SoC from Scilabs, an Ember SoC. So these are feeding back using Zigbee to this ARM Mbed based board here. This board here receives from the Mbed sensors, the ones on the desks, and they all collect the data into the server, so you can see the visualizations here. This is temperature of the different demo stations. We also have information of the front door of the average height of the people who are coming in, so it measures everybody who comes into the room and measures their height. So basically what we're showing here is, as the name suggests, sensors to servers demo. We have all the technology for an IoT deployment, from the microcontrollers for the small sensors, to the software to connect everything together, to the servers to run the software and run the visualizations. So this is just showing the end-to-end capability.
So what kind of sensors could you put inside this little board?
What, these ones or these ones? You could put anything. You wanted any sensors that were available. I mean, we chose proximity, sound, and temperature because they were the most appropriate things. But that's what we wanted to measure in this booth. But I mean, on this door here, you can see we've got a laser trip sensor, so we can see how many people have gone into this meeting room here. So we can use trip sensors, potentially anything for other applications. You could, if it was an industrial application, maybe there would be some kind of chemical monitoring sensor or something like that. It would really depend on the application.
Okay. Thank you very much, Andy.
Thank you.